Master of Commerce MCOM Project Course Code MCOP01 is one of the most important parts of your IGNOU academic journey. Every MCOM student needs to prepare a project that reflects their understanding of finance, accounting, business management, taxation, and research methodology. Many students face difficulty in selecting the right topic, preparing a strong synopsis, and completing the project on time. That is where Self-GAN helps you with complete guidance, step-by-step support, and ready assistance to make your synopsis approved quickly and your project accepted successfully. We ensure your work is original, structured, and submitted within IGNOU deadlines. Students preparing for December TE must submit their synopsis between August and October, while the final project must be submitted in October and November. Similarly, for June TE, students need to submit their synopsis between February and April and the final project in April, and do not wait till the last date, as delay may cause rejection or late approval. Self-GAN helps you prepare everything in advance with expert advice from professionals experienced in IGNOU projects. We cover all important areas such as financial management, research, design, business statistics, corporate accounting, and entrepreneurship. Join thousands of IGNOU students who have already achieved timely approval and best results through Self-GAN. We offer the most affordable price, best quality content, and highest success rate. For guidance and support, contact Self-GAN at 96997843005 or visit selfganignu.com. Start your MCOP01 project today and get expert help for a successful submission on time. Self-GAN is your trusted academic partner for IGNOU MCOM projects, helping you achieve your degree with confidence and success.